Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Working with Datasets, Data Cleaning and Preprocessing. Imagine you're a chef, and you're about to cook a magnificent dish. What's the most important thing? Good ingredients, right? If your veggies are rotten, your meat is spoiled, or your spices are mislabeled, no matter how good a chef you are, the final dish won't be great. In the world of AI, your ingredients are your data. Your AI model is the chef. If you feed your AI bad, messy, or incomplete data, it will produce bad, unreliable predictions. This lesson is all about becoming a master ingredient preparer for your AI projects. So, what exactly is data in AI? Think of a dataset as a giant recipe book. Each recipe in the book is a single data point or observation. Like one house, one customer, one image. Each specific detail about that recipe, like cooking time, ingredients list, difficulty level is a feature or attribute, like a column in a spreadsheet. For a developer, you'll often see datasets as tables, where rows are individual items, and columns describe their characteristics. For example, a dataset of houses might have rows for each house, and columns for price, size, square ft, single quote, number of bedrooms, location. Just like sometimes you find a missing ingredient, or a spice jar is mislabeled, real-world datasets are rarely perfect. These messy situations are called data problems, and they can wreak havoc on your AI model. Common issues include 1. Missing values. Empty spots. Like an ingredient jar is completely empty, e.g., a house listing without a size. 2. Incorrect values. Outliers, errors. Wrong entries. Like a recipe saying, add 1,000 cups of salt, e.g., a house price listed as $10 instead of $100,000. 3. Inconsistent formats. Data that's not standardized, like some recipes listing cups and others ml, e.g., California vs. Ca. 20 square feet vs. 20. 4. Duplicate entries. The same recipe listed twice, e.g., identical customer records. Data cleaning is the first step to tackle these problems. It's like washing your veggies, trimming fat from meat, and ensuring everything is correctly labeled before you start cooking. From a developer's perspective, you'll use tools like Python's pandas library to handle missing values. Decide whether to remove rows, columns with missing data, if it's not too much, or fill them in. Imputation. By using an average value, or a guessed value, e.g., df, dropna, df, fillna, correct errors, fix typos, standardize units, and remove extreme, obviously wrong values, outliers, e.g., finding and replacing California with California, remove duplicates, get rid of identical rows to ensure each piece of data contributes uniquely, e.g., df, drop duplicates, After cleaning, your data is usable, but it might not be optimal for your AI model. Data preprocessing is like chopping your vegetables, dicing your onions, and marinating your meat, preparing ingredients so they cook evenly and interact well. Key preprocessing steps for developers include feature scaling. Imagine your AI chef is expecting all veggies to be roughly the same size. If one is tiny and another huge, it might struggle. Scaling makes sure numerical values, like price and size, are on a similar range, e.g., all between 0 and 1, or centered around 0. This helps algorithms learn more effectively and quickly, e.g., using "min max scalar" or "standard scalar" from scikit-learn. Encoding categorical data. AI models are good with numbers, not words. If you have text categories, like red, green, blue for a car color, you need to convert them into numbers. E.g., using "one hot encoder" to turn red into "1, 0, 0, green into "0, 1, 0, etc." Why go through all this trouble? Because it directly impacts the deliciousness and reliability of your AI's dish. Better model performance. Your AI model will learn better patterns, leading to more accurate predictions, a more delicious and reliable result. Faster training. Models can train much quicker on clean, well-structured data. More robust models. Your AI will be less sensitive to minor fluctuations and more reliable in real-world scenarios. Easier debugging. When something goes wrong, it's much easier to find the problem if your initial data was pristine. Congratulations! You've just learned the absolute fundamentals of working with datasets for AI. This isn't just a theoretical concept. It's a hands-on skill you'll use in almost every AI project. As a developer, your journey involves using programming languages like Python and libraries like Pandas and scikit-learn to implement these cleaning and preprocessing steps. Think of them as your sharpest kitchen knives and your most versatile mixing bowls. Embrace the process, because a great AI model starts with great data. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.